Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to configure your scenario transmitter. You will be able to choose two scenarios created from the LiveIn2 app to save on your scenario transmitter. With just the press of a button, you can close your shutters and turn off your lights. For example, with the evening scenario. This transmitter is placed where best suits you in your home, making it easily accessible to the whole family. To start, enter the Settings menu and click the Add a Device button at the bottom. Choose SIMU-BHz technology, then the device type Remote. You then have 2 minutes to hold down the Prog button on the back of the transmitter for 3 seconds. Well done! Your transmitter is now added to your installation. Now, press the Setting Remote button to configure the two scenarios you want to run on each of the two buttons. Press the top button on the transmitter. Choose the device and its command, or directly the scenario you want to install. For example, choose the morning scenario. Save with the floppy disk icon. Your first scenario is now programmed. Repeat the previous steps to configure the button now. Click the button and choose, for example, the evening scenario. Save your second scenario. Your second button is now programmed. Now, using your app, test that everything is working properly by pressing Setup Remote Controller, then test by clicking the button. The saved scenario should run. Remember to rename it with the pencil if you want to install several scenario transmitters in your home. Then press Finish. Congratulations! Your scenario transmitter is ready to use. Each button launches the saved scenario. The middle button stops the scenario if necessary and compatible. You can find your transmitter and its settings on the Equipments menu of your app. And unlike the LiveIn2 app on your smartphone, the transmitter will continue to function with or without internet.